presented by Fight Zone.
Hey, Nancy Evans, Fight Zone here, and I am with Danny Paquette, who is a happy man. Danny won his rematch in the first round, and Danny, what did you do to do that?
Well, I knew he wanted to keep trying to take me down, and actually I wanted to stand up and box, but he kept trying to take me down, so I ground and pounded him instead. He was going for a lot of jiu-jitsu sweeps and a lot of, sneaky stuff, so I was a little nervous, a little scared. I know he's good at what he does, so got a lot of respect for him, so I just tried to keep my game tight, and when I saw the opportunity, I just finished him, just hit him hard. Like I said earlier, I came to hit hard. That's what I did.
And I tell you what, I know you wanted this really bad. This has been a long-standing thing that you wanted to get settled. Was it 6 years ago, the same town?
Yes, same town, 6 years ago. I fought him. I was real new in the sport. Once again, still was able to hit pretty good back then, but I didn't know nothing much about jiu-jitsu and grappling, so obviously he had a huge advantage. I mean, jiu-jitsu is such a big part of this sport, and he put it on me, man, so I got a chance to put it back on him tonight, and he's probably going to want a rematch, and I think that's a good idea, and I'll gladly give it to him. And believe me, I will not train lightly for it, because once again, anybody with his skill level is a scary guy. So give him all the credit and respect in the world.
All right. Well, I guess if you have a rematch again, we're not going to wait 6 years.
Probably not. He's probably going to be ringing our phone here like tomorrow, because he's pretty upset about it. And I understand nobody likes to lose. So he stole a moment from me years back, and I stole it back tonight. So I know he's coming back for it. I'll train hard.
All right. Well, congratulations.
Thank you very much, Nancy.
All right.
And real quick, can I just say one thing, because I know this is going to be on tape somewhere. I want to thank my brother, man, because he's always there for me. He's been in every fight I've been in, whether he had to sell stuff to get a plane ticket out to California when I fought King of the Cage a couple times, everything. He found a way there, man. It's good to have somebody like this in your corner, always.
Wouldn't miss it, man.
Thank you, guys.
Family is what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
All right. Congratulations.
Take care. Thank you.
Thank you.